हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू लर्न उर्दू इजीली या उर्दू सीखें आसानी से. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about some specific notation which are used in Urdu language as vowel. These notations are zabar, zabar, then zer, zer, and pesh, pesh. Zabar is always should be written or marked over the letter and sounds like a. Then zer is always marked under the letter and it sounds like e. And pesh is also marked over the letter and sounds like o. And here is a specific notation which is called mad. Mad is used always with alif and it is used to stretch the sound of alif, such as alif mad, such type of sound. So now we are going to learn that how these notations sound with the letters of Urdu language which are called huruf at-tahajji. So now start with me. Alif zabar a, alif zer e, alif pesh u, then be zabar ba, be zer b, be pesh bu, then pe zabar pa, pe zer pi, pe pesh pu, then te zabar ta, te zer ti, te pesh tu, then te zabar ta, te zer ti, te pesh tu. You can see zabar is a slanting line which is over the letter, and zer is a slanting line which is under the letter, and pesh looks like comma and it is also marked over the letter. So now se zabar sa, se zer si, and se pesh su. Then jim zabar ja, jim zer ji, jim pesh ju. Then che zabar cha, che zer chi, and che pesh chu. Then he zabar ha, he zer hi, he pesh hu. Then khe zabar kha, khe zer khi, khe pesh hu. Then dal zabar da, dal zer di, and dal pesh du. Now dal zabar da, dal zer di, dal pesh du. Then zal zabar za, zal zer zi, and zal pesh zu. Then re zabar ra, re zer ri, re pesh ru. Then re zabar ra, re zer ri, re pesh ru. Then ze zabar za, ze zer zi, ze pesh zu. Then je zabar ja, je zer ji, je pesh ju. Then sin zabar sa, Sin zer si, sin pesh su. Then sheen. Sheen zabar sha, sheen zer she, sheen pesh shu. Then swad. Swad zabar swa, swa zer si, swad pesh su. Then zwad. Zwad zabar zwa, zwad zer zi, zwad pesh zu. Then to or toy. To zabar ta, to zer ti, to pesh tu. Then zoe. Zo ya zoe, zo zabar za, zo zer zi, and zo pesh zu. Some people this letter is called to, or some people called it toy, and this letter is called zo, or some people called it zoe. So both the name are same, toy zoe or to zo. Now an zabar a, an zer e, an pesh u. Now repeat once more we shall repeat it. To zabar ta, to zer ti, to pesh tu. Zo zabar zwa, zo zer zi, zo pesh zu. Ain zabar a, ain zer e, an pesh u. Then ghan zabar gha, ghan zer ghi, ghan pesh gu. Then fe zabar fa, fe zer fi, fe pesh fu. Then qaf zabar qa, qaf zer qi, qaf pesh qu. Then kaf zabar ka, kaf zer ki, kaf pesh ku. Then gaf zabar ga, gaf zer gi, gaf pesh gu. Then lam zabar la, lam zer li, lam pesh lu. Then mim zabar ma, mim zer mi, mim pesh mu. Then noon zabar na, noon zer ni, noon pesh nu. Then vav zabar va, vav zer vi, vav pesh vu. Then hamza zabar a, hamza zer e, hamza pesh u. Then he zabar ha, he zer hi, he pesh hu. Then ya, ye zabar ya, ye zer ye, ye pesh yu. So guys, today we taught that the notations zabar, zer and pesh, how the Urdu alphabet sound with the help of the notations zabar, zer and pesh. So today's tutorial is finished here. Now in next tutorial we can discuss about the groups and positions of huruf-e-tahajji. So goodbye, take care.